Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books. This is particularly useful when you need to log transactions that haven't been automatically imported from your bank feed, ensuring your records stay accurate and up to date. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This takes you directly to the Zoho Books homepage where you can access all your accounting features. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and log in using your Zoho credentials or your associated Google account, if that's how you've set up your access. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Banking. This section houses all your connected bank accounts and transaction records. Next, select the specific bank account where you want to record your manual transaction. This ensures the entry goes to the correct account and maintains proper organization across your books. Now, look toward the top right part of your screen and click the Add Transaction button. This opens up the manual entry interface. You'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose the type of transaction you want to add. Here, you can select from classifications under Money In or Money Out, depending on whether you're recording income or an expense. This categorization helps keep your financial data organized. Once you've selected the transaction type, it's time to enter the transaction details. Fill in the amount, date, and a clear description of what the transaction was for. If you're dealing with complex expenses that involve multiple items or categories, Zoho Books allows you to add multiple line items within the same transaction, which is incredibly helpful for detailed record keeping. If you have supporting documents like receipts or invoices, you can attach them directly to the transaction. Simply click Upload File and select the document from your device. This keeps everything centralized and makes auditing much easier down the line. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Double-checking now saves you from having to make corrections later. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click the Save button to record the transaction manually in Zoho Books. Once saved, the transaction will be labeled as manually added and will appear in your bank transactions list, clearly distinguishing it from automatically imported entries. You've now successfully logged your transaction and kept your books accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.